So, you have a boring life. You wake up in the morning with the same alarm clock? Absolutely. The first time, you failed miserably. Then there's the next attempt. Unfortunately, you failed again. Then out of the blue, you wake up and shit, you're already late. And with the same mentality, new day but old boring life, there is nothing good happening in my life. All these negative thoughts are hurling inside your mind as you're waking up and doing your chores. You straight away went to your washroom, started brushing, washing your face, taking a cold shower, but still there is no motivation. You make your coffee so that you can at least open your eyes. And while you are drinking your coffee, you already feel pathetic about your own life. And of course, after that, you open your social media, you open your Instagram account and start posting some inspirational quote, which has nothing to do with your life. Your social media and your life never marries each other. One is North Pole and the other is South. So after copying some inspirational quote, you thought, why not post your own picture? A very old, decisive picture of yours in a very euphoria state, one of your best moments till now. Hashtag throwback. And the reason for posting this picture, yes, you guessed it right, so that you can make your friends a little jealous. After all, that's what social media is all about, right? So now you have posted your favorite picture in Instagram with the hashtag amazing life, hashtag living life to the fullest, and then you wait and wait for the hearts, for the likes, for the followers. You're wasting your precious time right now for the likes, for the followers that hardly matters in your life. So the main question is why we are doing this. And the answer is because everybody out there is doing this. If you look at our surroundings, everybody is having this thing in their hand right now and they are posting something or the other. They are posting anything out of their life so that they want to share their amazing life to their friends, to their families, and want them to get jealous of them. You got to understand one thing, the pictures are fake. That smile is fake. There's a backstory out there. A backstory which has nothing to do with the picture. Your friend probably went to some other country after working for 5 years straight, and then he's posting his pictures. And you feel that your life is pathetic. We consume the best pictures, the travel pictures, the brunch pictures of 7-star hotels, and then we feel pathetic about it because all these pictures are telling that our life is so pathetic. And we feel jealous about it because all these pictures are showing your actual real life. And with these negative thoughts, you do all your chores. And what will happen? You will have a boring life because your mind is full of negativity. And when you have a negative mindset, you can never succeed in your life. Mark my words, you can never succeed in your life if you have a negative mindset. You got to understand one thing, that all these pictures are the highlight reels. These are the best moments which has been taken and which has been posted all over the social media. That is not the daily chores, that is not the daily lifestyle of any person. It can be a celebrity, it can be an entrepreneur, it can be anyone out there. Everybody is posting their best pictures. It has nothing to do with their daily lifestyle. Understand? So you don't have to be jealous all the time. But unfortunately, we get jealous. These moments, these highlight reel actually have a huge impact in our life. So with all these gloomy thoughts, you go to college, you go to your work, and you have no idea why you are doing this. Why you are doing this job? Probably because of the money. And why you are studying that specific course? Because your sibling had done the same course and now he's earning a decent living. That's not the right answer. You come home, you eat your dinner, you feel already pathetic, you feel tired. There is no motivation. and then you're gonna watch some Netflix. You watch some Netflix and then you go back to sleep. The next day, the same thing will gonna happen. You try to wake up with the first alarm, you will fail miserably, you will sleep, and then you will wake up again. And then run throughout the day. And the same thing will happen on the next day, on the next day, on the next day, on the next day. And it will be a part of your lifestyle. So what's actually happening here? We're doing the same thing, the same chores again and again and again on our daily basis, and there is nothing new going on in our life. Your brain will go on an autopilot mode. What is autopilot? In an airplane, there is a button called autopilot. A pilot has an option to click that button so that the plane can fly automatically. The same thing is happening in your life. Your life is running in an autopilot mode. You are not running the day is running you. And time starts flying back faster and faster, and you have no clue what is actually happening in your life. So now let's pause for a second. Take a deep breath. Inhale. Exhale. Good. Now, what if I told you that you can change your life completely? Yes, you heard it right. You can change your life completely. How? I will let you know. You can change your life by changing small things in your daily lifestyle. Small chores that you can do on your day-to-day basis, so that you can have a little improvement in your life that can change your life from being boring to full of passion, from negativity to positivity, from being lazy to feel energetic. All you need to do is you need to shift small things in your life on a daily basis with discipline, with persistence, so that you can have an impact and huge impact in the coming time. And I will let you know how you can actually do it. So before giving you all these important things, I just request you to smash that subscribe button, hit that bell icon so that you don't miss any of my videos. If you have any questions, do follow me here in Instagram, do DM me, and I will surely try my level best to answer you back. So let's change your life from being boring to be filled with full of energy. Let's start. So from tomorrow onwards, you need to wake up 1 hour early. I'm not saying that you have to wake up 5 a.m. If you're waking up at 9 a.m., I'm requesting you to wake up at 8 a.m. Just 1 hour prior to your actual time of waking up. And this time you need to wake up as soon as the alarm clock started buzzing. Because in that fraction of second, your mind, your body can actually resist. Because you are sleeping in your comfortable bed. And waking up is a very hard task, but you need to overcome that obstacle straight away in the morning. That's the first step towards success, towards prosperity in your life. You need to wake up as soon as the alarm clock turns on. Start with your daily chores, go to the washroom, brush, wash your face, take a cold shower. Make your own coffee. I prefer a black coffee with no sugar at all. And while you are sipping your coffee, I want you to listen to some motivational speeches, some inspirational podcasts, anything that can inspire you. Get into the zone of motivation, get into the zone of inspiration that can give you an energy inside your veins that yes, I can do it, I can run this day. Sip the coffee for 15-20 minutes, and in that precise time, watch some motivational videos. Watch anything that can inspire you, that can motivate you, that can uplift you. Next, and probably one of the most important thing is don't do social media in the morning. That's a taboo. You don't have to do social media in the morning. You don't need to care what actually happening in your friend's life. You're not a celebrity that you need to wake up in the morning and start posting things. Well, till now, you're not a celebrity. In the future, you can be anything if you want. But right now, in the morning, you don't need social media. All you need is you, your positive mindset, that's it. Now with all these shows, you are feeling energy from inside. You are energetic from inside. Now what's next is you have to do exercise. I'm not asking you to go to the gym and start lifting weights. I don't want you to have 6-pack abs. If you want, that's perfectly fine. That's amazing actually. Right now, as you are changing your lifestyle, all I need is 20 minutes of your time. You can do anything. You can run, you can jog, you can lift weights, you can do yoga, and you need to do meditation just for 20 minutes. Any physical exercise for just 20 minutes will help you out in calming your body, calming your mind, calming your veins. And meditation will help you find yourself. This will actually uplift your mood and you will feel positive from inside. Now that you have waken up 1 hour early than usual, you have all the time for yourself. Now what you're gonna do? You're still not doing social media, because I know what people do is they go to the YouTube and start watching comedy videos. That's not for the morning. You can do it in the evening. But right now, I want you to read something that can inspire you. Read some inspirational book. Read something that motivates you. Read something that you really want to be. Read something that can inspire you from within, that can uplift your mood from negative to positive. All I want you to read for half an hour, at least 10 pages in a single day, that can give you an uplifting mood for the day. Next is have your healthy breakfast and then go to work, go to your college with all these positive mindset that today is your day. Today is going to be an amazing day. Use all these affirmations in your mind, in your life, on a daily basis, because that will have a positive impact towards your life. And step by step, do it on a daily basis. You're going to see yourself. Magic will happen. That you're going to change your life completely. The number one thing that you need to ask yourself is what actually you are passionate about. What really comes from within your heart. What actually drives you crazy. What you really want to do in your life. Because if you want to be successful, then you got to do something that you really love, that you really care about. Now this is the me time, this is your time, this is the leisure time of this day. So do something that you really want to do. It can be painting, it can be drawing, it can be reading, it can be writing. Indulge your time in the things that you really love to do. Do you love to play any musical instrument? Do it. Because when you do all these things, you feel good about it. You are doing something from your heart. Nobody is telling you to do it. It's coming from within. And that will have a positive impact in your life. Now later, if you have time, you can go watch Netflix, enjoy that web series and have a good time. Why I said the last thing to watch Netflix? Because till now, you have something that you need to do. And if you finish all the daily important chores of the day, now you are eligible to watch Netflix. You can do anything in that time. And just before going to sleep, probably 15 minutes earlier, you need to listen to something inspirational again, so that it can adapt inside your subconscious mind. That will have a positive mindset throughout the night. Because the next day you're going to wake up as a winner with all the positive attributes inside you. Because tomorrow you need to be better than today. Every day is a hustle. Every day you need to have a discipline in your life. Every day with persistence you need to work upon yourself for your own betterment. If you want to be successful, then you got to do it no matter what. And all these chores, these daily chores will change your life from being boring, from being pathetic, from being jealous to energetic and being positive and being full of energy, where people will look at you and will admire you. They will ask you, believe me, they will ask you that what you have done. They will feel attracted towards you. Believe me, it's going to happen. Every day you need to push your limits so that you can have a better lifestyle. If you want to be successful, then you got to find your own passion. Some things that drives you crazy, some things that comes from within, and work upon it. And when you're going to do something that you love to do, you will be successful. So I wish you all the very best. So hey guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope that you learned something from this. If you like, do share it with your family and friends. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any of my videos. This is Vaiibhav Nigam. Do follow me here in Instagram. I will see you soon. Till then, take care. Cheers. Bye bye.